Hello, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today I've got this secret fairy door folio to show you. So I've cut out all the pieces here. There's lots of bits of ephemera, a little bit of fussy cutting to do around some of the pieces, and then some more straightforward pieces. So the first thing we need are these two fairy doors and the little fairy door knocker, and I'll get rid of all those bits of ephemera for the time being. And we need this backing piece. So we're just going to score this backing piece first of all. So there are two lines in this dip here, and so we just want to score along those lines to the bottom. And then fold into them. That's it. And then fold them back again, back in on themselves, so they're facing the other way. So that's the inside of inside the doors. And then on the outside we're going to stick these two doors. So first of all you want to put some, just to say, I've put some ink on the back of this tab that sticks out, because you will be able to see that inside the folio, so just so it's not a stark white piece of paper. And then I'm going to put ink on this rather than this to begin with. So, sorry, did I say ink? Glue, I think. There we are. And you really want to get close to the edges of these. That's it. I'm just going to stick that down on top. And I've just done it that way around because you don't want any glue on that tab or on the other underside of that tab. Okay, that's that side, and then same with the other side. So it doesn't actually matter which bit you put the glue on for this one. Sorry, my phone's going off. Stick that on that side. Go. So we have our two doors, and then we're going to get our little door knocker and just gently bend it. So lengthwise, just grab the two sides and just bend it slightly in. You've got a bit of a curve, not too much. You don't want to properly fold it, just a gentle curve. And then if it helps, you could draw a line down the centre, so I'll show you what I mean. I can find my pen. Right, I'm back. I found a pen. So obviously you can use something a bit more subtle if you like, but just so you can see it. It's drawing a line down that centre. Oh, I can't see it. In the centre there. And then on this side, so this side, we want to put some glue. And then as best as we can, we want to line that, the centre up, to sit on where this where the tab meets the door. I'm going to put him right in the middle of these wings here. So what we're trying to do, just don't want any glue on that tab. So all the glue should be sitting on this side just to keep that nice and secure. Right, and let that sit for a bit to dry. And once it's dry, you can kind of pull that edge up again a little bit. And then this door slips between that tab and the door knocker, and it will hold it in place. There we go. And then you can just gently pull it apart, and there you are, opening fairy door. See what's inside, all our secrets. Okay, so inside we've got some pockets. So we've got this kind of stained glass sleeping fairy there, and then some almost triangular pockets to go either side along this edge. And there, so you can put these on any way you like. I quite like them slightly overlapping, so you've got a bit of space for whatever goes in the top pocket. So I'm going to start at the top with my pockets and put a little bit of glue those three edges. So you might want to measure up how it's going to sit before you do it. I'm not a great measurer myself, but so I'm just going to guess. So that'll be the first one. Ink along again. Just overlapping that one a little bit with the one on the top. Yeah, and then the same on the other side. So you can try and line them up, or perhaps have them staggered differently if you like. But I'm going to go and try and roughly have them the same, I think. And then for this one, you can make it into a pocket, or you could just have it as a kind of tuck. I think what I'm going to do is put a little bit along the bottom and go up a little bit, I think, just to hold it along there. Perhaps a little bit up the edges, just so that it doesn't get too bendy over time. Stick that there. Oh, more central. Here we are. And then we have a few bits and pieces to go in all our pockets. Little fairies. Some of these, the icy fairy castles. A snowdrop ticket. Tree. Beautiful little fairy. And this butterfly ticket. There we go. And then in the main bit we've got this lovely kind of vintage postcard. I think that's beautiful. And a bit of journaling, or a journal card, which I thought it might be fun to have. This kind of gargoyle tab on the top. So there's one to go either side of this journal card. Glue all over that tab, that side, and then so you only need glue really over one side, and then just at the bottom of the other one. There we are. So I'll just pop that on top. Turn it over and stick this one on the other side. Nice journaling space on there. All of these, of course, you can journal onto. Gargoyle. So depending on where you kind of put it, it'd be quite fun that when you shut the doors, she's peeking over the top. So that's that. And then there's another postcard here, kind of with that vintage feel. And then on the front of these pockets, I thought it might be quite nice to have some fairy numbers and a couple of fussy cut butterflies to go on there too. I might have their wings hanging over a little bit over the pocket, so glue on those. And on the wrong side, so I can't have that hanging over. A little tip of it hanging over. I might want a bit more under there. And it's all a bit symmetrical, isn't it, this one? But you can mix it up if you're not a fan of the symmetrical. And there we are. One secret fairy door folio. Oh, I should put some ink also on the underside of that, the door knocker. I'll just do that now. On there. Set. So there we are. So that's the inside, which we can just close up. And then again, so we tuck this door under the door knocker and over the tab, which actually gets easier and easier as time goes on. It's not looking very easy now, I don't know what's going on. There we are, with our little gargoyle peeking out the top. So there's several ways you can use this. You can stick some wallpaper on the back, and so it's a kind of independent folio sitting inside your junk journal, or you can stick it actually in, so put glue all over the back and stick it to a page, or you could obviously make it into a pocket too. So glue around the 3 sides and stick it down, and then this little fellow could actually have his own pocket at the back, like that. So I really hope you enjoy this one. I think it's really fun, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.